Before you run a meet, it is always a good idea to check your equipment, even if it was working the last time. If you run into any problems during diagnostic, please recheck all the cables and connections to make sure that they are properly plugged in. If you are still having problems, you can refer to the TIMEWARE 3 help files for diagnostic and troubleshooting advice. If you still can't get it to work, please contact IST for support. To check your equipment, click on Meets and Diagnostics. If you have a scoreboard, you should check that first. Click on Scoreboard. Since we are in demo mode, we are not hooked up to a physical scoreboard. However, it will still load the test pattern onto the computer. The pattern will be different based on whether you are using a numeric or alphanumeric board. This is the alphanumeric pattern, which shows the row and column number for each panel on the scoreboard. Carefully compare this pattern to the pattern on the scoreboard. They should match exactly. Once you are sure that they match, click Continue. The scoreboard and the screen will now run through the available character set for your scoreboard. Use this to make sure that all of the LED clusters are working properly. When you are sure that the board is working, click Exit. Now let's check the computer timing interface, deck cable, touchpads, and backup buttons. Click on Meets, Diagnostics, and Deck Cable. This is the deck cable diagnostic screen. Because we are in demo mode, you will see the touchpad simulator on the screen. When you are running an actual meet, this will not be visible. If the timing box is plugged in and working correctly, the status will be green here and counting ticks here. To test each touchpad and backup button, press on them one at a time. We will simulate that by clicking on each pad and button on the touchpad simulator. As you press a pad or a button, you will see the I/O number and the name of the device appear on the screen and on the scoreboard to verify that it is working. You should also fire the start device and press a backup start plunger button that is attached to the front of your CTI. When you are finished with the test, click Exit. Now we can begin timing a meet.